Okay, I've seen the error of my ways with my last video. I didn't show you how to get that game that I put on the pallet ready to put on the pallet. So, you know, I'm always just kind of capturing what I'm doing at the moment. And yesterday I did have an opportunity to cover that part also, where I'm actually breaking a game down and getting it ready to put on a pallet or put in the back of somebody's vehicle. Either one, the process would be exactly the same. The only difference is one gets placed on the pallet, the other one goes in the back of somebody's vehicle. But this will at least cover the entire breakdown of a game, taking it from being up on 4 legs to fully blanket wrapped, and then it can go either way, in the back of somebody's vehicle or on the pallet. So this will bridge the gap between the two, and I'll probably circle back around and rename the videos. Probably this will be part 1, packing and shipping, something like that, and the one that you've already seen will be part 2. But it'll at least help make this a little bit more thorough, because I kind of figured, like, okay, yeah, if I'm gonna really set out to inform these people about how this gets done, I need to show probably how I got to that step that you watched me do in the previous video where I put the game on a pallet. So this will handle that, I hope, and here we go. So there's that. You get a better sense of how I got that game that I put on the pallet in the last video ready to put on that pallet. And it's a pretty straightforward process. You might need a helper. I've learned how to do all this stuff myself because I don't really have any choice. When I tell you this is a one-man operation, I mean this is a one-man operation. And all that said, if you like the content, give it a thumbs up, not because I'm trying to monetize. As a matter of fact, I actually spend money making these videos and lose money making these videos, and that's why I need you to give me a thumbs up so I know that that's not a waste of my time and efforts. And I think that's pretty much it, and I'm already hard at work on something else. You can see how dirty my hands are, so whatever that is, you'll probably see it up here, and I'll see you there.